Welcome to 320 South Knight Avenue in Park Ridge, Illinois. This bungalow house was built in the 1970s and needed its old aluminum siding to be replaced. We have an excellent team here at Siding and Windows Group who all work together to ensure that our clients are completely satisfied. Our design consultants take their time to create the ideal plan for their clients, and the construction crew does an excellent job of bringing those designs to life. At Siding and Windows Group, we specialize in a wide range of products, but our expertise lies in James Hardie materials. For this house, we used 7-inch exposure James Hardie siding in the color Evening Blue. Additionally, we used James Hardie's Arctic White for the trim, fascia, and soffit as well. Working with Siding and Windows Group completely altered the appearance of this house. Not only did the homeowners love how the renovations turned out, but they also felt good about choosing us because of how reasonable our rates were. For more information on how Siding and Windows Group can transform your home, please contact us to schedule your design consultation today.